And what are we watching? We're watching that 5-minute inversion happening. That will be cool. We're watching an SMT here at the lows as well. Dollar is just booming. This is an hour, yeah, like this. So let's see if we can find a top here. That would allow NQES to shoot higher. I like that. This annoying. But sell side taken. So if I would have something to ring a bell with now, beautiful. What did we call in the weekly outlook on Euro? We called for 677 to be delivered. Guess what we got? Precision, beauty, lovely stuff. Now making a turn, that would be appreciated. So let's see. GU shooting lower for that sell side, resting below, reasonable as well. And we're back at it. We're back looking at a market that is not in sync, because we want these bad boys to move together in tandem. I want to see that. We're getting this for a second day in a row. Yesterday was a very hard day to read initially as well, because we were not moving together. YMU, what's doing? It's probably it's moving higher rapidly. Prefer ES a lot better. So we're possibly getting an inversion here. Possibly. Keyword possibly. We're possibly getting a 5 minutes inversion as well. This can be fun. SMT into an inversion, that's something that I take 24/7. If it's in the right time, I'm taking it. I don't mind. New week opening gap, initial target, let's go. Even this, that is good enough for me. 5 handles initial would be just quite alright for me to play with before the news. But for SMT and inversion like this, I don't care whether we have news, whether we don't, it doesn't really matter. If it inverts, I go. And you've seen it way too many times. But I know for a fact that I win more than compared to what I lose, so I'm just literally just taking. I don't put much thinking into it. I see it, I take it. Very, very simple things. Makes my life very easy as well in front of the chart. So I think what we're gonna do, we're not going to overdo this. Yeah. Not be greedy. Let's do 5 handles. 5 handles is gonna be enough. 250 bucks is gonna be more than enough for me. Or let's do that double top. Oh, that is juicy. I didn't even see this. Double top, 5.75 handles. Let's fucking go. I'm putting my hat on now. Plug the NFP. Oh, this is becoming fun. This is becoming awesome. 5 minutes inversion possibly. Let's see if we can get that. If we get this, I'm falling in love with what we're doing already. If we don't, fine by me. Be nice, come on. Can it consolidate just back and forth out here where we are at right now? With these 1 minute inversion after an SMT, I take it pretty much 6 hours straight throughout the day. Whether it's an opening range, whether we're in a macro or not, doesn't matter for me. Could spend a little bit more time trying to understand when these trades are good, when these trades are worse, but for me it works. What you have to understand though is that you can go into very long in terms of many trades in a row, periods of drawdown doing this. And that makes it difficult. That makes it very tough on you. So yeah, you don't want to be in that situation. But NQ looks to be inverting as well on that 5 minutes. So is this an entry? The question is. Because of the news I won't touch it. But this is a 5 minutes inversion on NQ happening. This is awesome. I think we're bottoming out. I think this is the low for today. Possibly. We have news in a bit. So 5 minutes inversion happened. 20 handles proper stop loss. Yeah. And we're watching that higher time frame bias to be panning out. Very simple. But I'm in the trade, so give it a little bit of time. Am I saying I'm going to be right by taking this? Nah. You know the risk. You know the risk of doing this perfectly. I like this entry on NQ though. Not touching it though. Because I'm in ES already, so I'm not touching. So we're gonna enter on Euro. So I'm watching still this inversion. I'm watching this possible push to the upside, but the closer we're gonna get to the news, the more eager I'm gonna become for taking this off. And I'm literally have it lined up for the 10 AM news that not excited to hold a trade throughout that period. NQ panning out nicely. We're all good there, right? Euro, I like the structure getting broken. I like the fact that daily sell side was taking, and next to that we're getting a YouTube 2022 entry, which is brilliant. So I'm watching Euro closely now, just to show you around a little bit. Possible fair value gap opening up as well. Swing high taken, retrace into an entry possibly. We'll see. NQ doing wonders for us so far. NQ just being very nice to us. So first opening for the session kind of getting done here. Yeah. This inversion and everything that happened before the opening. Yeah. So we're not interested in this. A lot more juicy. It's good. So keep it to your notes as well. This is one big ass order block, 933 to 934. Put it to your notes. Watch this. What does SMT do? SMT explains us directly, says to us, okay, there's a discrepancy, there's gonna be a trade entry. We got that. We got an inversion, we got 5 minutes inversion, we have an inversion here. We got entries on both charts, but NQ is literally saying us, buddy, I'm gonna be a lot stronger. Yes, a lot weaker. And I miss that and I place a trade on a weaker pair that is struggling to go higher. This indicates that NQ is a lot stronger than ES. Booming higher. It's alright though. The ES is gonna follow. It's gonna get there. But too bad. I'd love to be in NQ. This is insane. This is very good. I like it. No, it's good. Yeah, so because the market literally talks to you. Every single candle talks to you. Every single candle tells you a story. It gives you something to work with 24/7. Like that's the goal of every single candlestick. This says ES is a lot weaker than in Q. Should be in this instead of that. 5 minutes looking good. We're gonna get to that take profit, but look how nasty this is and Q is. You guys that have been with me for a while now should know, like, I don't care about taking a loss. I don't care about winners, losers. All I care about is perfecting my ability to read the market. This was not a perfect execution by me. This 250 on the main account, which is shitloads of money on every single other account is not perfect, and I hate that. I'm not happy with taking a profit here, literally. I should be in NQ, but it is what it is, so we take what we get. We offered an SMT, we offered an inversion after that SMT.